In this video, I'm going to show you how to view photos in iCloud on the Mac and also iPad. So for iPad and iPhone, it's going to be basically the same. You'll have, first of all, in both to go and access settings. And as an example, in settings, you'll have to click on your name in here. Once you do so, just scroll down to the bottom and you'll find this iCloud option. Go and click on it and click on photos and make sure that you have this on. If it's turned off, you'll have to remove your iPhone. So the videos that you have an example or photos that you have in here will not be synced to your iCloud. So you'll not be able to see them on your PC or your iPad. So go and do the same on your iPad. Now you can just go and access, for example, your photos, and you'll be able to see the same photos that you have on your phone and the photos that you have in your iCloud, an iPhone and an iPad. If you have any photos in the iPad, it will be added to the iCloud, so you'll be able to see it in the iPhone. For the PC example, whether you have a Mac or any other option, you can just go to any browser and type iCloud. Once you do so, click on the first link and make sure you're logged in into your iCloud. So click on sign in and sign in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find here is example continue button, and it just waits for it until it load. Should not take a lot of time on loading. And yeah, here we are. Click on OK and stuff. I don't care about all of that. And as you can see, you should find here your photos, and all the photos again that you have in your iPhone and your iPad will be synced with the photos that you have here in iCloud. And here you are. You have you can view your photos in iCloud and PC, phone, and iPad. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.